Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Second video for the day. Today I'm going to talk about the Teletubby. Teletubby in some serious trouble. Some serious trouble. The time I first started telling about him, as usual, huge backlash, and he used to me fight against him, bad man him. He be step out. I'm a fight against you, and see the ghetto youth make some money, I'm a fight against him. These are the infantile arguments. Room temperature IQ fans pushback with. But I'm telling you, so these quote unquote fans don't mean these artists any good. Because if they did, they'd be telling the artist, guy, you have much money, you have much fame, you can use the money to do this and do that. Badness, gang, that don't make no sense, DJ guy. Instead, them form a wall around the dopey back DJ and write off everything as bad mind until the DJ end up so deep in the mud. Them same one now turn on upon him. Boy, look how him dash in life. Teletubby in some serious trouble. The feds take over the Teletubby case. The feds take over the Teletubby case. And if you know anything about the conviction rate where the feds them have, you know he's in some serious trouble. State level problems is a whole different ball game from fed level problems. The state hold on upon Teletubby. Teletubby go in, get all like a small bill. But when time I start read the follow up to the case, the gun charge, me I say, but things look rather nice for Teletubby. Could be much worse. But the feds have brushed the state aside. The feds basically tell the state, watch it from right so go on side. This dopey bat is ours. Nothing couldn't understand how much problem Teletubby, you know. You see now the feds get involved. The rapper guy, Young Thug, the Rico case where you see him get catch pan where they and he may get off fairly light, and people have said, boy, Young Thug and him friend them get off light on the Rico. That was a state Rico, guy. That's a state Rico. If it was federal Rico, a different ball game. The feds even make it known for a long time them a study the Teletubby. I don't understand how somebody like Squash, who's a high profile dopey bat, can think him can get in a Uncle Sam place and do what them a do, and if even blagger boy can't hear about it, you think the feds nasty wag one? Them dopey bat take border and dip on Instagram and TikTok a wave chip glock. Them dopey bat take boat and smuggle in a Uncle Sam place. Who is advising these idiots? Is it them stupid or the advisor stupid? Or are they both stupid? The way how Squash and J-Man them are going and think the feds wasn't watching. Guy, if regular Irish Saxon dip on them phone and can tell you everything we are going with, you think the feds not watching? This happened to the Teletubby because which part Teletubby come from? Him used to, every minute police draw down upon him, draw down upon G-City man them, hold on upon them for one day, let them go over and over and over. That is what they used to. That's when a Jamaican dopey bat know him under pressure, and every minute police come hold on upon him and then let him go. Hold on upon him, let him go. Every minute police step on the corner, so them tell you, say, boy, you know, say the G hot right now, cause every minute police are come. That's not how the feds do things, guy. That's how them dopey batya behave the way them behave in a Uncle Sam place. A place where already no check for you all when time you are no criminal. Remember, so Uncle Sam no check for Arimanians. Even when time them no commit no crime, much less when time them a criminal. But because the feds now come knock on him door and tell him say, hey boy, we are come for your mat. That's what he's used to. Only if you're listening to me. You see, what happened to enough of these dopey bots is them get lured into a false sense of security. Nobody now come draw them out of them bed every night. That's how police work in Iron Man. Every week, Sci-Fi get drawn out of them bed, go down on the station. You're waiting for a witness come. The witness come, so then let him go back. Over and over and over. That's not how it works with the feds. Them just sit down now and watch you and watch you and watch you and just come name your food in a one go. It's not looking good for the Teletubby. When time I tell them about him and more them, when they say me a bad man, me a fight against the artists, them to me say them a be a girl and be a money. Now the same fans them I say, look how in dash in life. DJ boy, you don't realize these fans don't mean you no good. You just feed their hostility inside of them. Them not check for you, then they check for them, I tell you what go on. Teletubby. But just I wonder what kind of information Teletubby could have useful to the feds. If you think man, quote unquote snitch at the state level, you want to see the federal level. But at Teletubby, at the focus. So the only way the feds interested in anything Teletubby have to say, him have to go mention somebody name with so high profile, them say, hold on, now we're talking. And I wonder who that could be. The feds love strike a deal, you know. One of the reasons the feds have a high conviction rate is because enough man don't even bother go trial. When time them see the case against them, man strike deal fast. When you know if Teletubby go trial, but if him want strike deal, he better have a name worth listening for. The feds now got interested in somebody like Teletubby leaking for our next 87. Because now you go back down the line. So Teletubby have the money and the fame, you know. So in the business board, J-Man and yo, you know, say boy J-Man, the lock one gun around this. You know, say boy J-Man, the lock one gun around this. Then the business board that. Teletubby for give them one name. Higher than him. Who is that? We will find out. We will find out. The same fans them me hear now and say, look how him fool, look how him dash in life. The same fans them who will say, yo, I'll fight girl to get on YouTube having money. It has to be studied. It has to be studied. Them DJ, after they mash up in communities in Iron Man and jump on a plane and go foreign, go live the good life. Gyro up and down in a Benz and Beamer. Left the place them in Iron Man in disarray. And them smile and them enjoy life, but it's only for your time. All the destruction, Teletubby rain down in a mobile. Drop a foreign and thinks everything good. Think him that go just marry a woman and get papers and everything good. And live happily ever after a foreign. See dog nyam in supper there. And enough more man supper get nyam. Enough more man supper get. Enough man who think say they can get away with certain things. And I go to work it will be a movie. If under the legal justice system, it will be the legal one. But enough of them are going to answer for the destruction of them rain down the Iron Man. When I go see it and when it happen, I go link me and say, John dog, you have crystal ball. Teletubby aka Teledopy bat. Remember when boost up J-Man and to go fire off for much rounds. And then police hold on upon J-Man. A public defender him a ball for. Meanwhile, Teletubby a drive round in a Benz and Beamer. J-Man in a jail. I use public defender. That's what happened to no fun when time when you dash on life, quote unquote, in your general. Your general a business boy, dog. You're Kenan father. Matter of fact, right now, your general are fighting on a case. You know, say lawyer money. If him even a squeeze him and look at thing for lawyer money, you know, say that I've got to get cut back right now because I've got to film lawyer money. Dog, na mess up. But you'll be alright. I mean, you're tough. You're a killer, right? You'll be alright. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life, Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.